Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to stop Alibaba emails. So if you want to stop receiving the emails from Alibaba, you'll simply have to unsubscribe them, or you can also block the email address. So for that, what you have to do is launch open Gmail on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Gmail has been opened. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for Alibaba. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. You'll be able to see all the emails that you've received from Alibaba. So simply tap on any of the email. Now you can see over here that particular email will be opened. If you want to directly block the email address of Alibaba, what you have to do is tap on the three dots that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find this option for block Alibaba. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here the email address of Alibaba has been blocked. Now you'll no longer receive the email from Alibaba. If you want to unsubscribe, what you have to do is simply scroll down to the bottom. Now at bottom, what you have to do is simply find this link for unsubscribe from this type of email. Once you do that, tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be redirected to the browser. You'll be able to manage the email preferences over here. You'll be able to find various options. At top, you'll be able to find this option for all notification emails. So what you have to do is simply toggle this button off. Now once you do that, at bottom, you'll be able to see this option for unsubscribe. Tap on it. Now once you do that, you have unsubscribed the email from Alibaba. You'll no longer receive the email from them. So like this, you'll be able to stop the Alibaba emails. So that is how you stop Alibaba emails. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.